Yes, may I ask some questions about your favorite part or detail of the Rhino car?
Yeah, sure. So we were sitting in the interior, so it's probably steering wheel. It went a lot of thoughts into it. It went through few iterations already, and it's the main part where you can feel the car as it is. So it has a digital dashboard on it, also adjustable traction control, brake bias, and ABS. And the best part is it's easily removable without any wires, and you just plug it in and you're ready to go.
What makes it so special for you?
Uh, Well, like I mentioned before, it went through a lot of iterations because we started with a first prototype, and after about a year, everything changed. We designed our own PCB. The carbon fiber parts were added to the steering wheel, and it looks like a OEM style steering wheel at this point.
Was it planned from the beginning?
No, this one was made out of necessity because the first one didn't feel right in the interior of the car, so we had to adjust it a bit, and it just evolved.
So this was a second try.
Uh, Maybe like fifth try.
Fifth.
Yeah, it's second iteration, but in between there was a lot of like tries to make it as it is.
How long it took you to make it as it is right now?
It's hard to say because you don't take the steering wheel and you design it from start to finish, but it was a lot of parts and they were designed during the period of 2 maybe more years. So it's